Hey guys, I just got a package in and I want to show you what I got and who I got it from, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so if you didn't know who this is, it's pretty sure if you look down below this video, you'll see my name, and if you didn't watch the intro sequence, I am the Guam Stacker. And I just wanted to show you this. I got this from another member of the community at a really good price. If I would have ordered this through other means, it definitely would have cost me a lot more. So I really thank him for that what he quoted, or, basically what I paid for it. And I wanted to show you who it was. So it is the Aloha Stacker. If you don't know who he is, he's an awesome guy. I'm pretty sure you probably should. He has a lot more bigger base than I do, sub base and viewers, and he's very, very well known in the community. And so I got this from him, and I'm not sure if he has any more of these. You should just email him and ask him, okay? But I'm going to show you what it is. Okay, here we go. He taped it up real good. He was actually communicating with me that, his concerns about the shipping, and I was like, okay. If you didn't know, if you do ship to Guam, you actually have to fill out a customs form. That's why a lot of people don't like to ship to Guam, because they don't want to put too much info. But luckily, when he printed out his stuff, sometimes when I print out labels, I actually have the customs forms and say exactly what's in them on the form. So luckily he just put I think metal or medallion, and it didn't print out the customs form. That's pretty good. It just printed out the shipping label, which is definitely a lot better. But let me show you. He did a video on these, and I definitely saw them, and I wanted to add them to my collection / stack. And they are the Australian Shipwreck Coins in the series, the complete 4. Pretty interesting. Let's see. Okay. Oh shoot. So, if you didn't know, right there they are. And let's zoom in a little bit. And if you notice, they're upside down. The words are upside down from the ships, because as Aloha in his video explained, that is to show that they are shipwrecks. They are basically no longer, I'm not sure if that's a good saying, no longer with us. But yeah. And they all are 1 ounce 999 AG. And if we flip them over, let's see how they flip. Ah, they flip like this. Okay. And we have the Queen, of course, on all of them, because they are Australian. $1 on all of them. And they have nice little things. Now, these are the antiqued versions. I started collecting the regular BU. I'm missing the last one, which Aloha had. I think it was, no, I have those. I have the Batava. This one, the last one, is the Zwitch. I can't pronounce it, my bad. I apologize. But just look at these beautiful coins. Look at the antique. If this coin looked like it was, like many of us said, it looks like it was deserved to be antique. Like, it's just such original, beautiful. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you. So these are the 3 that I have, and I want to show you them. So, which is this one? This is the Vergolde Drake. Let's put him right below his antique brother. Next we have is the Batava right here. And then we have the Zootdorp. And we are still waiting for this guy's little brother. And he is still in the mail waiting to come to us from, I forgot where I ordered it. It might have been from Apex. But here. And if you look at the The regular BU, they definitely almost look like they're proofs. Beautiful. Let's do a comparison. Wow. Beautiful coins. Thank you, Aloha Stacker, for giving me this opportunity to get the set. I'm still waiting for that one though, but that's not him. That's Max taking their sweet time. So, thank you, Aloha Stacker. And now I just want to remind everyone that I did do a GA on my last video, and if you wanted to get it on it, just make sure you watch it. Just leave a comment. And I'll leave it at that. Definitely want to, you know, it was mainly meant to, if you watch the whole video, that you'll get to win that GA. And I will be doing 100 sub GA pretty soon. But after all this is done, and I think I'll produce another video on something else. But yeah, definitely gonna do 100 GA, and then the other one was just. I think as I wanted to do a 75 GA appreciation, but I actually was really busy this whole last week, and I wasn't able to get it done. Basically, I was super busy last week, and I could not get on to do, like, I apologize. There's so many videos I wanted to watch and comment and like, and I just, you know, work happens, and, you know, life, and I was really busy, and I apologize for that. But okay, well, thanks for watching my video, and I hope to see you guys again another time.